Hey there! In this tutorial, we will learn how to add and use tags in your workspace. Tags allow you to add extra content into your 3D space. The content can literally be anything, like an image or a video, a web page, a link to another space, music, and other content. And the way to activate this content is simply by clicking on the tag. To find the tags feature, go to Spaces, choose your tour, go to Workspace, find the Digital Twin Studio, and click on Tags. Now, take a look and notice that you can search for tags. For example, if you have multiple tags in your tour and you need to find a specific tag, you simply search for it in here, like this. So, you can notice that the search has found your tag. You can also see tags created in the Matterport tour. They will automatically be embedded and displayed in the 3ds tour. Disable this MP tag switcher if you don't want to see Matterport tags and you only want to see tags from the 3ds tour. Here you can also enable or disable the Matterport dock switcher. I can also choose my docking tag side. It can be on right or left. I will choose it to be on right. If I hover over the tag, I can see it here and I click on it. And so my dock will be on the right. Now, let's add a tag. To add a tag, click on Add and choose the location of your tag. Now, once you place a tag, you will be offered the following settings: Normal and Move. Normal mode keeps the tag location as you placed it in the tour. Move mode allows to further change the location of the tag, like this. But let's leave it on normal. Title. If you enable this toggle, you will see the tag's name while clicking on it. Please be aware that with disabled title, tags analytics won't be collected. Tooltip. This toggle is needed to display an action created in the Matterport tag. Whether it is an image or a video assigned to the Matterport tag, once you disable the tooltip, the Matterport links will stop working. Move to tag location. Keep this toggle on if you want to be transferred straight to the tag upon clicking on it. Once you disable the move toggle, it will stop teleporting you to the tag. Enable action. This toggle is used to preserve an action assigned to the 3ds tag. Disable it if you want to have an action only for the Matterport tag. Great! Now let's customize our tag. Provide a name for your tag. Provide a description. And now choose the action type from the list below. If you click on None, no action will be assigned to your tag. Click on the Matterport flyover to redirect the user to a specific location in the Matterport tour with an effect of flyover. The deep link can be retrieved by clicking U inside the Matterport tour. Let me show you. So I am in the Matterport tour. Choose the location that you want the viewer to see as he is being redirected to this link. Press U button on your keyboard and you will see that the link has been copied to the clipboard. Go back to your workspace and insert the link in here. Click Save. Matterport Instant will redirect the user to a specific location in the Matterport tour, but with another effect. It will be rather instant, a rather instant transition as compared to the flyover transition. The deep link can also be retrieved by clicking U inside the Matterport tour. Our next action type is Tour Link. Tour Link redirects the user to a specific location inside the 3ds tour. The deep link can be retrieved by clicking Ctrl-Y inside the 3ds tour. Let's check it out. So I am in my 3ds tour. I have chosen the location that I want the user to see as he is being redirected to this link. And as I click Ctrl-Y, my current position has been copied. Go back to the workspace, insert the link in here, and click Save. Now, as you click on the tag in the public link, you will be redirected to another location in the same Treatise tour. And this is how you add a tour link. Our next action type is New tab. Use this if you want to open the needed information in a new browser tab. All you have to do is to put the destination link in here and click Save. Panorama. You can connect your panorama to a tag. You just have to make sure to initially enable a panorama to be able to select it and attach it to a tag. As you can see, I don't have any panoramas uploaded, which is why it doesn't appear here. So make sure to upload your panorama before you assign it to a tag. Our next action type is iframe. iframe allows you to open your website content directly in the tour. Please note that not all websites allow to use its links. For this, you can click here to transfer to iframe tester, where you can verify that your URL is iframe compatible. I have already tested this website and I can click Save. Find my tag, and the website will be popping up like this. I can also choose the sizing. This allows me to be on the website directly in my own tour. Our next action type is music. This action type allows you to start playing music as you click on the tag. Select your preferred music file. You can either upload it or choose it from your library. I will upload my music file. And click Save. Let's see what we have next. The next action type is text. This will make a pop-up screen with your text to appear as you click in the tag. Insert your text. You can format it in various ways. You can make it bolder. You can change the text color, the background color, but let's change the text color for now. Now, let's see the result. As you're inside your public link tour, you click on the tag and you can see the text popping up in a pop-up screen. You can also make it bigger and adjust the sizing. Going back to our workspace. Next action type is image. This will open the picture added to the tag. In here, you can see the maximum size and the formats needed for the image. Let's upload an image. Click Upload, select your image, and click Save. Now let's see the result. As I pressed on the tag, the image popped up. Again, you can make it bigger. Let's see how we can add a video to a tag. To add a video to a tag, you have to insert a link from YouTube or Vimeo in here. Insert it. You can also adjust the sizing of it and also make it full screen or make it autoplay. Click Save. Menu. Choose this action type to automatically open the tag items in the burger menu. Selecting here, Tags, select your tag. I will choose my test tag and click Save. Now, if we find our tag and click on it, you will see that it will automatically pop up in the burger menu and will be selected. Check again, like this. Our next action type is Experience Pop-up. This action type generates a pop-up screen where you can add an image or video, a text. Choose the background color, you can format the text and customize it. It's a good option when you want the image, video or text to pop up with a background to it and some additional information and detailing. Let's see what we can do. So we have the text in here. Remember, you can always format it, change the sizing and change the position of it. You can choose the pop-up settings, vertical or horizontal. Let's choose vertical. Choose the color of the text. Let's say red. Choose the background color. Let's choose this color. You can insert a video URL or upload an image. Let's upload an image here. Again, I'm choosing my sunset sky and click Save. Now, let's see what we've got. Click on the tag. As you can see, an experience pop-up has appeared. It is different than an image pop-up and just a text pop-up because you can adjust the background also and combine both text and image or video together. So this is a very good option to add some more detailing for some area or location in the room. Our last action type is gallery. Choose this action type when you want to add several images and/or videos to one tag. All of them will be grouped under one assigned URL link, so-called gallery. Let's choose a few examples. You can also add any type of link, for example, a website. You can describe your link and click Save. Now, let's check our gallery. Click on your tag. As you can see, the image gallery has appeared. You can look through it, and also here in the left corner, you can see the link, which I have named My Link, and it will redirect me to our website. Let's go to custom settings. Here we can customize our tag. You can choose the icon and the color. Let's choose the icon of my tag. As you can see, we have a large library of icons, but I will choose this one. I will pick my color, let's say this type of green. I can also choose if I want to have a white circle around it or not. I can play with tag opacity, make it weaker or stronger. And I can also play with stem length. I will adjust it like this, so it looks nice. Click Save. Now, let's find our tag. As you can see, the icon has changed, the color, and also the stem length. And this is how you add and customize your tags. Good luck!